Thank you for speaking with me today about hormonal optimization. How long have you been doing this program?
Approximately 3 years now.
And what led you to do hormonal optimization in the first place?
Well, to enhance my workouts, which it's done greatly, and it's definitely been a great benefit, but most importantly to me is the battle with depression over many decades. By far, I have found it to be the best tool I've ever had to combat depression. It's been very significant.
How has testosterone optimization worked into your daily health routine?
It just really, I work out every day, and it really enhances my workouts, my mind, the positive way, if you will, the clarity. And again, it's been the best tool for depression. Best tool by far.
Have you noticed any different gains in your actual workouts?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Good. Have you noticed any negative side effects from the testosterone?
None whatsoever. None.
Well, anything you'd like to say to people who might be considering hormonal optimization? I
highly recommend it without any hesitation. It's been a great asset, and it's formidable in the fight against depression. And I sincerely mean that from my heart.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.